Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by picking a trustworthy VPN optimized for streaming. This reduces buffering and avoids blocks. Once you subscribe and install the app on your device, sign in and select a fast protocol like WireGuard. Make sure to enable the kill switch so your traffic won't leak if the connection drops. Run a quick speed test to confirm you have enough Mbps for HD. Slower speeds force lower quality, so fix that now before moving on. Now you choose a server in the country that carries the content. That's how the service thinks you're local. Once connected, pick a streaming-optimized or smart DNS server if the VPN provides one, because those reduce throttling and bypass common blocks. Clear your browser cache and cookies or open a private window so old location data won't interfere. If the site still blocks you, change to a nearby server in the same country and retry. With the VPN connected and cache cleared, open the streaming site and start playback. Choose your resolution and watch the first 30 to 60 seconds to confirm stable playback. If the platform detects the VPN, switch to a different server in the same country, change the VPN protocol, or toggle obfuscated mode to hide VPN traffic. If problems persist, restart the app or router and test the IP for leaks to ensure your real location isn't exposed. This usually resolves stubborn access or quality issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.